In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this super easy crochet coaster. Hi, I'm Shabori from Hooked in Loops. Welcome back to my channel. So let's begin. In this project, we will use embroidery floss. So I have used 5 different colors of embroidery flosses and I have used 1.75mm crochet hook. So let's begin. At first, we will make the magic circle. In case if you are a beginner, then check out all my absolute beginners tutorials from my playlist. Circle is done. After that, we will do a chain 2 and we will not consider this to be any stitch. Now we will begin the first round. In the magic circle, we will be doing a total of 12 double crochets. We will quickly do 12 double crochets and complete this round. All the 12 double crochets are done. We will pull the tail of the magic circle to close it in this manner, and then we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch of this round, followed by a chain 1, and then we will cut the yarn if you change the color for the next round. Okay, for the next round we will take a different colored yarn and make a slip knot with it and then insert the hook in it, and after that we will slip stitch in any stitch of the last round. The written directions are shown here. After the slip stitch we will do a chain 1 and then in the same stitch we will do 1/2 double crochet stitch, followed by a chain 2 and then 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch. By chain 2 and then again 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch and then again chain 2. So this is the pattern that we will be following throughout the round, and we will quickly complete this round, and at the end we will slip stitch in the first half double crochet stitch of this round, followed by a chain 1 and then we will cut the yarn. For the third round we will slip stitch in space of the last round, followed by a chain 2, and we will not consider this chain 2 to be any stitch. Then in the same chain 2 space we will be doing 2 double crochet stitches, followed by chain 2 and then 1 double crochet stitch in the same space, followed by chain 1, and we will repeat this pattern throughout the round. That is, in the next chain 2 space we will do 2 double crochet stitches, followed by chain 2 and then 1 double crochet in the same space, followed by chain 1, and we will continue like this throughout the round and quickly complete this round with a slip stitch double crochet stitch of this round in this manner, followed by chain 1 and cut the yarn. In my case the yarn was too short, so cutting was not necessary. So now we will do the fourth round. For that, slip stitch in any chain 2 space of the last round, followed by chain 2, and we will not consider this chain 2 to be any stitch. In the same chain 2 space we will do 2 double crochet stitches, followed by chain 2 and then 1 double crochet in the same space, followed by chain 2. We will skip the next chain 1 space, and then again in the 2 space we will be doing 2 double crochets followed by chain 2, and then 1 double crochet in the same space followed by chain 2, and we will repeat this pattern throughout the round, and at the end we will slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch of this round in this manner, followed by chain 1 and cut the yarn. We will change the color again, and then we will begin the last round. For that we will slip stitch in any chain 2 space after 2 double crochets of the last round, and then do a chain 2. In the same chain 2 space we will do 3 double crochet stitches. Followed by chain 2, then in the same space we will do 1 double crochet stitch, followed by chain 1, and then we will slip stitch in the adjacent chain 2 space, followed by chain 3, and then in the following chain 2 space we will be doing 3 double crochets, followed by chain 2 and 1 double crochet in the same chain 2 space, followed by chain 1, slip stitch in the adjacent chain 2 space, followed by chain 3, and repeat this pattern throughout the round till you reach the end. At the end of this round we will slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch of our round, followed by chain 1 and cut the yarn, and with this our coaster pattern comes to an end. I hope you liked this tutorial and found this helpful. For the written direction, wait for my shorts video which is coming soon. It will have exclusively the written pattern only. So subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you.